What is up, guys? Today we have the SlickWraps mystery box. I have no idea what's in here, so what do you say we jump into it? Okay, so immediately we've got a mouse pad. Well, that's pretty cool. It's got like this cool like tiger, like swirly design around the tiger. We've got a letter here, it looks like. Holy what? That's fake. Okay, so that's what I just pulled out. But that is definitely 100% fake, and there's a tear in it. The team here at SlickWraps had a lot of fun preparing this mystery box specifically for you. If you would like to see more of these exciting promotions, help us by sharing your SlickWrap, dude, I can't say that. Help us by sharing your SlickWraps mystery box and its contents through your social media, whether you post on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, blah, 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 blah. Signed by Mr. Jonathan Edicott himself. When I ordered this, I had, at the time, a Note 8. So, I have a purple Note 8, a carbon fiber silver, a wood, mahogany maybe, I'm not sure. Oh wow, a really sleek looking blue, and then a green. So, with all of these, I'm more than happy to hand those out to you guys. Looks like it came with a whole bunch of SlickWraps stickers, their Snapchat code here, emoji beach ball that came with it, that's silly. Some sunglasses, pops socket. Now, I'm not a super big fan of these pop socket things, so that's cool, and that's about it. Let me know what you guys thought about this video, if you guys enjoyed the mystery box. It's something that I've been pretty happy about. I enjoyed that experience, buying something, not knowing what it's gonna be, and then giving you my thoughts. So, as I know right now, SlickWraps mystery box is sold out. Better luck next time. I know within 5 of them probably had iPhone 10s in them, so if you're those lucky winners, congratulations. Give me a thumbs up, like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see you guys in the next one, guys. Catch you later.